శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీ సూత మహర్షి disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis. Suta Maharshi saying that, O Maharshis, now Parikshit inquiring Vrishabham, asking that, O Vrishabhama, who cut your 3 other legs? Let me know. The one, you are the one who is sadhunam, who is always having a gentle behavior. O Vrishabhama, Akrutagasam, you are the one who never does any kind of mistakes. Such kind of the entity you are, who tortured you, who caused this kind of trouble to you. Let me know. Sarvatosya cha madbhayam. That person, wherever he is, he has to be scared from me. That is for sure. O Vrishabhama, those who are torturing, who are killing the cows and all other gentle entities, they are all very bad people. At any cost they have to be punished. That is what is Loka Kalyanam. O Vrishabhama, let me know who cut your legs. Vadi bahuvulanchani trunchivaitu vinu vidiki negina neladaginan. Wherever he is, wherever he must be hiding, sakshat martyasya api, even if that person is sakshat devata, I would not leave him like that. I would go and cut his shoulders. O Gorupadharini, O Vrishabhama, Ragnyohi Paramo Dharmaha. The very important responsibility of king is to punish those who are torturing, killing cows. O Vrishabhama, the other responsibility of king is Shastram Anapadi Utpathan. Those who are doing anti-social activities, those who are not obeying the rules and regulations of the government, they have to be punished. The other important responsibility of king is to punish those who are going against the constitution. Like this, when Parikshit having a conversation with Dharmadevata Vrishabham. Now Dharmadevata responding to Parikshit like this: Oh Narendra, oh my dear King Parikshit, I know that, I realize that you belong to Pandava dynasty, and I can see the greatest amount of righteousness in you because you belong to Pandava the dynasty. Oh my dear king, in your Pandava Vamsam, all your ancestors have such a wonderful qualities. Because of that, Sakshat Srimannarayana Krishna Dautyadau Bhagavan Krutaha. Paramatma himself, Sri Krishna Paramatma himself served all your ancestors because they have such a wonderful qualities. Oh my dear King Parikshit, because all your ancestors have such a great values, Paramatma himself, Bhakti భక్తి లతా నిబద్ధుడై వారి జనేత్రుడు మెచ్చు దౌత్య సంచారము చేసే. కృష్ణ పరమాత్మ వర్క్డ్ యాజ్ అన్ అంబాసిడర్, యాజ్ ఏ మెసెంజర్. కృష్ణ పరమాత్మ ఈవెన్ వర్క్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ డ్రైవర్ ఆఫ్ ద chariot of your ancestors, because your ancestors have great qualities. Like this, the Vrishabha Devata, Dharma Devata, appreciating, praising the qualities of Parikshittu and his ancestors. Now what happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.